Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. This episode is very important. I'll be giving you some phrases that are 100% native. But before you start, don't forget to look at the first comment and also the description box and join now my free Egyptian 101 basic course, completely free course that you will get the basics and the foundation of spoken Egyptian and start this journey the easiest way possible. So let's start right now. First one is صباح العسل. Many of us know صباح الخير, which is the standard good morning. صباح is morning and الخير is good. But if you say صباح العسل, and this is casual by the way, it's not formal, it means morning of honey. Egyptians say different variations of good morning, like صباح العسل, صباح الفل, صباح الجمال, and so on. So if you say صباح العسل, morning of honey, this variant that's casual is very Egyptian in nature. And when you say it to an Egyptian for the first time, he or she will be amazed. So try it. صباح العسل. The second one here is يا راجل. يا راجل, it means literally, oh man. راجل is man from رجل or رجل in more standard Arabic. But we Egyptians love to say it with this long alif, يا راجل. So يا راجل here, it means, oh, I don't believe you. Oh man, are you serious? Okay, so if you tell me, for example, that you have been walking yesterday for 20 kilometers along, and I tell you I don't believe it, so I will say يا راجل. So it means, oh, I don't believe what you're saying. Are you serious? So try it. يا راجل. We also love to say يا ابني, يا بنتي. يا ابني and يا بنتي, it means calling a daughter, بنتي, my daughter, or calling my son, ابني. So we say يا, O, and ابني, son, or يا, O, and بنتي, daughter. So we say يا ابني or يا ابني. يا بنتي, it means oh son, oh daughter. But wait, this does not necessarily be between a father and a daughter or a father and a son. Egyptians love to say it everywhere, even to friends. To say يا ابني, what are you doing? Okay, so my son. He's your friend, not your son. But we love to say it like this. It's really native. So try it. يا ابني, يا بنتي, my son, my daughter. برضو. برضو here it means again? A second time? Really you do it again? Okay, so this برضو is very casual and also is very common phrase or common word that we say as Egyptians every day and everywhere. Okay, so if you in a situation that your friend did some problem or did a mistake, okay, and then after a few days you heard that he did the same mistake exactly and he told you I have done this and this again, so you say again, bardu. And bardu here is a word that we say really a lot in Egyptian and it's a very native word. So try to say bardu and pronounce this word in front of an Egyptian and tell me your reaction. The last one here is هتني. هتني. هتني is a word that still Egyptians say today, but it's kind of obsolete. You'll not find many people saying it. هتني, it means I will keep doing. Okay, and usually when we say هتني, it's followed by a verb. So we'll say هتني أتكلم. I will keep talking. هتني أروح. I will keep going. هتني أذاكر. I will keep studying. Okay, so هتني is a very important word, and a variation of it is هفضل. Yes, so Egyptians say it instead, say هتني, and some Egyptians say instead هفضل. Like for example, أنا هفضل أذاكر. I will keep studying. Another Egyptian may say أنا هتني أذاكر. I will keep studying. Both are correct, but هفضل is more common, but still you will find many Egyptians say هتني. Okay, so remember this word and try to say it also in front of an Egyptian. Tell me, what did you find? Is it strange for him or is it normal? And what would be his or her reaction? So, you hear these phrases. Now, when you say يا راجل, صباح العسل, برضو, هتني, and all these will be your key to native speech. Try any of these in front of your loved ones, in front of your family, friends, and you'll be really amazed when you see the reaction of native Egyptians. Don't forget to look in the first comment and also in the description box and join now my free Egyptian 101 online course. This course will give you the foundation, the easiest way possible to the world of spoken Egyptian. And also don't forget to share this episode to your friends and your loved ones and watch other episodes of Linguamid. Thanks a lot and see you in a future episode.